guys, it's Megan and welcome to my channel. I definitely know that I have not been the best about posting this year, but before I get into today's video, which is a super fun Halloween shop with me and a mini haul, I just wanted to share that I have decided to make this YouTube channel a personal creative outlet, which means that I'm not going to put any pressure on myself to post with a rigorous schedule or anything like that. This is purely just for fun, no pressure, no major expectations, because I own a small business. I'm a florist, if you don't already know, and that already is enough pressure in itself. So to keep it short, this is just a fun channel, and as the holidays get closer, I'll definitely be posting more because if I'm being honest, I live for August through December, fall and Christmas, and that's when I feel most inspired to post content. So without further ado, like I said, today is going to be an at-home shopping, a shop with me and a mini haul. I couldn't resist getting a couple of things. So without further ado, let's go shopping. All right, overall, they had most of their stuff out and I was pretty impressed. They had a really good selection of things. They brought back a lot of that oil slick, like rainbow unicorn stuff. They had the dragon line, which I guess is capitalizing on Game of Thrones. I've never seen an episode of Game of Thrones, so I wasn't really into that. But I did get a couple of things. My birthday is in July, so with At Home, you can get, if you join their email list, you can get a coupon for your birthday. So I decided to use my birthday coupon strategically and buy Halloween stuff because I know that they don't really do a lot of sales. So I picked up a couple of things. The first and the largest item that I bought is this pumpkin, really creepy lantern. I really love that kind of spooky, drippy mouth. I try to carve my pumpkins that way, not very successfully. This one does have an LED pillar inside. You can see him in there. Again, I usually like things, he doesn't work, doesn't have a battery in him, but I usually like things that can do a real candle, but I just thought he was really creepy and cool. So I picked him up. He was $24.99. So y'all, literally everything I bought is like 4 pumpkins in a cup. But moving on, the tiniest pumpkin I bought, this was actually an impulse buy. I saw it by the register because they strategically put some Halloween stuff over close by the register so they get you again. But I couldn't resist picking up a little I solemnly swear I'm up to no good pumpkin as an homage to my Harry Potter obsession. See, going hardcore. But I thought it was cute for a styling piece on a mantle or a bookshelf. Last year I did mostly black and white and brought in a pop of orange, and I think I'm going to continue that this year. Typically I like really creepy, macabre, not overly themey kind of stuff. I like things that just end up looking creepy, but not because they're specifically a Halloween decoration, if that makes any sense at all. So this is definitely more Halloween-y, but I really liked him, so I picked him up. Next up, I picked up this beautiful floral pumpkin. It's got some bling with some rhinestones. This, I know for a fact, is kind of a ripoff of a Pinterest photo that's been floating around the internet for years. I've seen this exact pumpkin years ago before it was ever in a store. So I know that big box stores look on Pinterest for really popular things and then reproduce it, which I'm not really a fan of, but I did think that this was a very beautiful pumpkin. I love that kind of witchy vibe. I love the black and white. I think it's very creepy and very cool. And this is kind of like super feminine, which doesn't often manifest in my Halloween decorations, but I really liked her. I'm gonna call this pumpkin a her. And it was $9.99, 10 bucks. Okay, my last pumpkin is probably my favorite because he is extra creepy and he's more like a gourd. And it is this guy. The tag kind of ruins him. But isn't he kind of like just really creepy and almost kind of like that Nightmare Before Christmas kind of face? He has an LED inside of him, which is like the rainbow colors. There you go, you can see him in there. So at night, I'm sure that'll look really cool. Most of the time it's gonna be off because I just kind of enjoy that matte black vibe. I might even put something over the candle, like some black fabric in there or something so you can't always see the tea light. But I thought he was really cool with his kooky little stem and kind of that unique gourd shape. He was $13. And the last thing I bought, this is really more of an accessory for a photo shoot that I'm gonna be doing. I'm doing a Halloween photo shoot next month, but I bought one of these goblets. They had a wider version and the skinnier kind of champagne flute version. It was $6, and I think just like a party with black glassware would look so cool, so creepy, especially if all the food was on theme too. Last year I threw a witches party where I invited my friends to my house and we had you know, food and candy, and it was just kind of like a girls' night, and but it was witch themed, so everyone dressed in black, and I had like black lipstick and a wig and all that kind of stuff, and I totally did not film it because I'm a dum-dum, but this year I'm gonna do the same thing, and I will film it and try to do it early so I can share it with you guys before Halloween. But this is for a photo shoot, like I said, and I think it's gonna be really cool with the model. And that is everything I picked up from at home. It's probably everything I will get from there. There was only one item that I was really contemplating getting, but I resisted, and that is the bubbling cauldron with the green bubbles. I saw that in some other people's shop with me before my at home even had Halloween stuff out, and I thought it was so cool and so creepy in that bubbly, like, overflowing cauldron, but it was like $60, so ultimately I decided to pass on it. It's more themey than my stuff usually is, but I did think it was really cool. Also, Measure and Mix had a tutorial last year of something very similar using like dollar store Halloween lights, so maybe I'll just try and recreate it using her tutorial. If you want to know what I'm talking about, I'll link her video down below because it was a really cool, very cool DIY. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm going to enjoy my Hobby Lobby fall candle a little bit more. It is the buttery pumpkin scent, if you're wondering. Every fall, or every summer really, when Halloween stuff or fall stuff starts being out at Hobby Lobby, I treat myself to a fall candle that I just burn for me, even though it's a bajillion degrees outside here in Texas, but I'm just gonna manifest fall with this candle, y'all. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Most of my content is holiday and home and DIY based, so if you like that kind of stuff, I promise that you'll like it here. And if you want to head over to follow me on Instagram at ColorfulMegan for more day in the life behind the scenes fun stuff, you can find me over there as well. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!